Hello my dear friends, welcome to your English class. Today we will talk about the present continuous. The meaning of present continuous. What is the meaning of present continuous? When we want to talk about something is happening now, we use the present continuous. Let's take an example. Look at this girl, she is running now. So we must use the present continuous tense. We will say she is running now. She is running now. Now look at all of those people. They are talking on the phone. So as we said before, we must use the present continuous tense. They are talking on the phone now. Now we have two examples. The first example, she is running now. The second one, they are talking on the phone now. So, what is the form of present continuous? The form of present continuous will be subject plus am, is, are plus the verb with ing. Now let's go to the negative. Negative means not. When we want to put the sentence in negative form, we put not after am, is, are. For example, he is playing football now. How can we put this sentence in negative form? Yeah, right. We put not after is. So the sentence will be, he is not playing football now. Let's take another example. I am writing my homework at the moment. Sentence in the negative form will be, I am not writing my homework at the moment. Listen, they are singing. Listen, they are not singing. Now let's go to the yes and no question. How can we make the yes and no question in present continuous? We use am, is, are in the yes and no question. Let's take an example. We have here an answer. No, she is not playing guitar. This is an answer. So, what is the question? How can we form the question? We form the question. First, we cancel the no. Then we make a scissor. So, we will write first is, then she, then the verb with ing, then the rest of the question. So, it will be, is she playing guitar? This is the question. And the answer, no, she is not playing guitar. Let's take another example. Yes, I am playing football. This is the answer. And here I want the question. So what will be the question? The same steps. First, we cancel the yes. Then we make a scissor for I and am. So the first word we will write in the question will be am. Then I. But wait a minute. Remember, when we have I in the answer, it turns to be you in the question. So I turns to be you, but there is a problem. The problem is we have you and we put with you am, and this is very wrong. So we will change am and we will make it are, because you takes are, not am. So the question will be, are you playing football? So now let's go to the form. What is the form of the yes and no question? It will be am, is, are plus subject plus the verb with ing and the question mark. And now the time of WH question. What is the WH question words? We have what, when, where, why, who, and how. How can we make WH question in the present continuous? Let's take an example. We have here the sentence, she is playing football now. And here I need a question for the word football. I mean, I need to make a question. The answer of this question will be football. So, what will be the question? First, we have football. It's not a place or a time. So, we will use what. Let's start with what. After what, we make a scissor. Okay? We will start with is, then she, then the verb with ing. So the question will be, what is she playing? And the answer will be football. Okay? Another example, they are cooking dinner. We have dinner here. I need a question on the word dinner. We will use what? So we will start with what, then we will make a scissor. We write are first, then they, then the verb with ing, then the question mark. So the question will be what are they cooking? And the answer will be they are cooking dinner. So what is the WH question form? The WH question form will be the WH word plus am, is, are, then the subject plus the verb with ing, and of course the question mark. And finally, let's go to the keywords. What are the keywords of the present continuous? We have here 5 examples showing us the keywords of present continuous. And keywords mean some words, when we find them in the sentence, we can say that the tense of the sentence is present continuous. Let's read our sentences. First one, she is writing her homework now. We have here now. The second one, I am eating right now. Right now. He is playing football at the moment. At the moment. Look, they are running. Look. Listen, she is crying. Listen. So the keywords of the present continuous will be now, right now, at the moment, look, and listen. And that's all for our lesson today. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next lesson.